Mwancho murigereria Wensoko TV na gukwandire andonsi asore karibu sana semesa ya mayakuru Wensoko ensa emo hasobutuko bwiga bwa gatano na limo mutinyi noyo 10 umwaka no bwechiri bubere 25 nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ondigi no gusaba kwa nenga weekend yago yarenge engia na boigori tukuri ara ya Jumatatu ryanyare ko bari gukuira asenchire engia kwegokire nemero beru ya gendrera sembeo Yensoko TV na bona asenchira ya bene gukwarigania semesa ya mayakuru Wensoko ensa emo butuko bwiga tusange na kumanya nararia ya aenekiwe kurwase chingongo au inyechense orogongo rwagusi county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira ni county chonsi 45 na ibiri cyabari kibaito bamangana babikire kambi kwanekia bunamba cyo gutumanya senchira yoboikiranu obutko bwarero mwanchu murige nabegokero eikiga edire eiki yogo chengera okorwa obokoreri kurwa serikali go chia 7 inchi asiritko ryarero habarai abaesokia na kura emiroberio yogo chengera eikiga yobokoreri go chia se abana inchi kerense ya Kenya egendete kuyarigania bosyo bogo chigo chengera eritukeriga rine na chitariki 10 ase omwako iga higo karibu sana asiri bagari abakombo atesia kurwa studio ya kabere kwane kia bunanto chiko komanya senchire ngia to wasabwe karansoke obana intwe kurbono huika omwerio boigo inyora ase bari bonsi bagotobwati ase ensemo yemetandao ito yekerero ya Facebook na YouTube karibu sana tusange kurbono huika omwerio. Karibu sana naendo mwancho murigeria wana mayakuru Wensoko ensa yamo tugochaka na robotiro kubwatekana nebikore byabasae gutware birengererio hebinge hebiana nake bikoirera barabu kobera barabuboka gutware birengererio byo kubarusi na gutware birengererio byo kwirusia obugima bono nigo basemia bwarure guchia sebare gukwana na abayibori babo na kobaera emechando babwate ebunenchire yamo yogochia koene kiabuna nkwe mbari guchia kwirusia obugima nigo boigo abasayabo bakwaneirwe ekibabwente gokora na boigo bakwanire ekige koirera barabu gutwara ebirengererio ebinge asebono ekanisa ya Nyareko bagi kuboria abaegwe ribaga idio kwene kia bunango sanga bare ebirengereri byabo buna agotomanyo muri kito Wycliffe Orenge
asajinga kichinyenge abasaye nigo barorekanire gukira na kobera barabuboka ekera babwate mechando ndagotware birengereri ebinge ebyane nake bikogera berusyo bugima gwetera soko nyakisumu na bego kwengenta bono litukuri rero nigo ebirengereri byabasaye byarurwe igoro yebikora byabasaye gukira ekera babwate mechando
kwengenta kwaletire ishiyo nyinge sana bune orogongo rito rwagusi abasaya bange bakwengenta tutakwana kurwa ngoro yabo koteba chishira chiko barenga bono onyora omonto nababwata obokongu kabisa lakini osinyuko kwete inono omonto bamenya tenere
unafanya tu our feel free kuongea na the parents the friends alafu ni venye pia sometimes you don't get people who can listen you and understand you so you just end up feeling lonely
again tegetangani changing trends abantu abange bachakire gokobi amangana y'abasongo amangana ngumbu
gukwana n'Ensoko TV mu basorero nigo abasaye aho bate babuna ekiya kogera bagira mono no ko babuna baise gukwana mechando babwate asabasani nigo baise gosekererwa gose gutangaswa.
Most of them prefer to be lonely because gine wako na wenye wanaogopa kushare vitu zenye wanapitia alafu kuna vitu zingine pia like tuseme kama maybe mwanafunzi amepata kitu kama mimba maybe the first time ana feel like hii kitu ni mbaya na itakuwa disappointing kwa wanafunzi wenzao ama mzazi so atakaa tu hatasema
ananake nigo bono abasaye baseme ko batebya bayiboli emechanderi babwate ribakwanirwe bunenchire yemo yogokiania ebikoro byo kwerusyo bugima gwetera so gutware mirengererio
faku eka watoto like waji express unaeka mtoto free ndo akiwa na shida anasema mtoto akija shule ama akitoka unafaa kumwambia kuna mashida tu unaweza patana nayo kama mtoto lakini ukipatana nayo unafaa kusema
ekanisa nero nebwateri bagaria bene lyo kubasemia abantu bonsi nabo igabasaye niko bono abasaye niko bairwe obosembi buna niko babwenda ko swase bikundi obechikanisa elinde baigwe bosemia.
The church and the parents should play a big role in guiding us the youths kwa sababu we all look upon them for guidance and everything since wamekuwa na bado wako na kuna mengi wameona yenye sisi hatujaona.
Wanafaa kwenda church alafu church leaders wanafaa kuguide pia wanafunzi na watoto venye wanafaa kukaa na wenzao.
na baiboli ni babwanete kubaika abana babange na kubakwanira eromanyi buname cyano kibabwate iyo eragere bebe kale nabande
baiboli baminto babwana neto muiboli no muntu ore sensitive muiboli nabakomanya umwana oye mnare muiboli baminto tobwanete mwato bekamo mogo tutigari chinga kichiri tutari kwenyara chinga kichiri asenge tutari kokore kwenda tutari kwa bamona ino mogo totiga
abaiboli na inwe karo mwaro lenga abana wino bakirire babekamo mwara abasemi mwabatebinga umwana abwene tukobaigana iga.
Wazazi wanafaa kuwa close to watoto wao, wanafaa kueka watoto like waji express.
Abasaye bano niko banyera ko bakwego basemya buna ekero babwate emechande ndeyonse niko babonete gukwana na ande talinga no gukira igiye kugerana nake bakorera gweita ananake niko batebigunga mbuya bagenda no nase chikanisa baso ase bikundi ino banyako bagosemigwa chinjera cyo komenya. Ingo reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwaga igase bugatagati mu cyo basongo iretariane Wycliffe Orenge.
Tokoskabosyo mwancho morigeria hunenchira yamo yogosira abasayi himense ya Kenya bali batachetia sensemo ye University kwenyora hemeremo gwetera umuroberio onyota niko bono umuroberio yo chaki wa senchira ya bena sechi county chonse merongene na isano na ibera sense ya Kenya ime county ya Kisii niko mo bisomo nena se wizara yobwera ni bwamangana yekerero Stephen Isabuke araire umuroberio yo ime yeskuru yoko enekia amaigerio yobubundi ya Kisii ukwana hekerekyo niko bono aereire obujabu umuroberio yo bugocha kubwatirania chiserikali chonsi elyo konekia buna basae 50 nibere kurwa asekere ward ime yeke busekoroga asekere ward ime yechi county chonsi nkonyora bare emiremo ime yense ya Kenya korenganirwa usenekerenga kyumura ibwense ya Kenya muske William Ruto asanya ariko baga kuboria abasae kurwa ase county ya Kisii weso kya sobonge eligo cha kweri kyansio umuroberio yo buna gotumanyo muri kito Bethwel Machini.
Serikali niko bono yabekire mirobere mekirane yo kwenekinga aborokiwa bali batanyoreza mabaga yo goswa University ngonyorra bale amasomo abene edi bachikonya ka bakwirika emiremo amatukare bosyo ayangorengana no muri Kyobotambe ase wizara yobwerani wa mangana ma ya Stephen Isabuke uyo ochaki umurobero yubene ime yeskuri yo kone na magiri yo bubundi me Kisii National Polytechnic ya satebire nigo umurobero yo rachikonya kabago konya aborokiwa kwenyorra amagiri amangara bakonya kwirike miremo
rero muna mwaigwe tuachagaiga at Kisii Polytechnic ucha ko launch egento kya nyota ne project ego target abana abakevi chana bali miaka 18 na miaka 29 walibeta nyoleteri bagende university the dropouts muna mama yete kusiga munera nkongu nawe buli mama yeta mangana aya umwana class nyiruko ende university kose agule abantu batabono yo elire oyo kendenkeyo nkiara chabe almost like this person is useless. The opportunity to airulero ne president ne program ya nyota no ko enroll ya bana aba pata cheto university so batari university
ukwana na bariki maiga yo gukora egikaro na botani bo borindi me county ya Kisii muna basaye nigobono nyakabaga kwera uyabu mirobiro asabasaye 20 kura ewodi barachikonya ko bakwenyorra ogukonyuko asumurobiro konyora chishiringi chiriwe 50
noko ba skill abandi bali bata train ti bandi bata na mechanic bandi bata kwa bintu bya agriculture bandi bata kwa bintu binde egera ba basic training skill bebundise banyere basic training yabanyora artisan igintu bere konyere. Number 2 abandi bali bakolire bintu bagwate bara bayisa magokabo gose bikoro byabo abandi okonyora gose n'umugagachi mu yasana abandi bala chimakanika bayasana bakujara korosiga chigali kabisa lakini hata certificate inero prior learning recognition ego cha gukora egera bantaba ba learning lakini bata certificate ebe nambaisa to yagera to cha lero gaiga nuko basomya mangana ibiasara entrepreneurship egere ben role ise program ya nyota bagende ise business bagende egere basoye babe tested ise biasara kibagende gukora egere ba itre process yo sipi bali bako faul bako moedio bakonyora 50 ne target president ebegete kere ward chigo digital chonsi sipi mune chau sijire 45 kere ward nyora bana 70 na kero mwana 70 anyore 50 mune keke bwate equality kere ward ere 70 portion yetu e president chikoli kere chiward chonsi sipi kenyengi ba nte to kaka usiga no ward ya to kero montare atayo nani nintu chande kete most tuira bana baita abange baro batabatigasi
nanya nabo nigo isabuki anyakabaga kuboria abaguzi go chichamo elio kubwatisya omurobero yobwe serikali kiagire serikali nerebwate amaya mange
egento nababoria abantu baminto ebintu bya serikali bigocha ebintu bine byeito ntachaba ngaine ero kaigo tetebuoye ero kalebia ukerende tena abantu bae na bana bae nga mokole bintu bya serikali kuzine serikali koleta serikali y'abantu bonsi ne kumana ne bwensi no mwana bwensi yons bantu bonsi 100% yekere gento bine kigo cyo keto keire mine gento kito kina bekire mine gento kera bo muchino kere nka no kigire gento kere imino ekara Kenya ne yito totebya bana baito baache bakitokeza kabisa belike babuga ti program y'abantu abatebira abantu baito batokorro ekera abantu bande bonzi bya Kenya bagotokorro nyana baromba leme egere kere kama bagagotoka sine chigayiga usene bintu bina NYS abantu bakora ngumbu koze abantu ambata kere chatisan abantu baito na baro batoko
kwa reporteria Ensoko TV kure county ya Kisii Ritira na Pethuel Machin
Memono Murikito Bethuel Machini no roboti rwa senchiriringia tukusikabosio mwancho murigari ase county ya Nyamira masemia bweri chikase serikali musolista general Shadrack Mose nigobona haraire ho guchakiwa omoroberio bokwena na enibo guchia sabasae hinse yesiro ya serikali yokuimokia abasae kagokwana hasege ikaro hamo nebitabo byoborendi ase county ya Nyamira nigobona asabire habagambi kwena kyanga abasae kwerikia barense yomoroberio yonyota oyorengete abasae chiri buchimisano na 320 aiga Kenya ngima ebunegati asegati yemyaka 15 n'etatu nabo bari begete myaka 29 hasa bari no barema banchire gosoase umurubiro yo nabarense yemyaka 35 bunago tumanyo Murikito Steven Nyariki
Omosemia bwerichiko Moske Shadrack Mose ngati yomogeni oikirana asomoroberio bogosio bene esiro yabasae weso yasobwonchoreria asomoroberio osire na World Bank
that it's a World Bank project. I want to tell you that we need to get it right. It's a World Bank project. 5 billion shillings grant given to us as government. As between 18 and 29, and the PWDs, people living with disability below the age of 35 years. The other project is a landmark initiative by the government of Kenya aimed at transforming the livelihoods of the vulnerable youth over the next 5 years.
And then again, 10,000 youth micro franchises or urgent businesses will also be established. Now, in terms of supporting youth savings, the project intends to have 190,000 youth having short-term and long-term savings with the Haba Haba scheme under the NSSF. Then young mothers are also going to be supported. Wale wasichana wadogo wako na watoto, they will be supported when they do the project, and there will also be maternity health support of those expectant youth when they'll be undertaking the project.
Bagukwana sama gacho CDF imeyebungea West Mugrango imeyanyamira nigo bairiro buyabwa bekiru ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza kwene kingaba saa 52 kurwakire wodi ingwe nyora barumuroberi bugoche gosirwa.
Hakuna nchi ambao iko nzuri kushinda nchi yetu ya Kenya. Hiyo mnapiga makofi hiyo kabisa. And I'm telling you without winking, hakuna nchi yeyote inashinda hii nchi yetu ya Kenya. Ile shida kubwa tuko nayo ni leo tukipiga kura, badala ya kupeana nafasi ile amechaguliwa, ile serikali tumechagua, tunapiga kura leo, the following day tunaanza nini? Tunaanza siasa, and we lose it out at that level.
And we said we are targeting 70 youth, not 70,000. Tumeshika vizuri.
asekera omusae orache kwenyorera ng'eri eyo nigaregwe shilingi 50,000 ekyo aranyare kobaga kwegenderia ase obwonjoreria bene.
And this 50,000, we will have a saving element. Now, my brother here will talk about it from NSSF. Out of the 50,000, you have been given 50,000, but 12% will go to NSSF.
Omuroberi yokagire gochiko iguru botuko bwa rero gwetera ase ebimatero bya *254# nigora chikwene kinga ense ya Kenya nene mono asabasae abari emyaka gati ya 15 n'etatu goika emyaka 29 ase bari buya nabo igo bari no borema goika emyaka 35 nigo barachikwerike ase omuroberi yobotuko bwa rero.
1,450 wards in the whole country. Hii pesa itakuwa imefanya nini? Imeingia huko.
Steven Nyarikembonde, Ensoko TV, county ya Nyamira.
Biamano murikito Steven Nyarikino robot rwasinchira yoboikira n'kura county ya Nyamira. Tukusikabose mwancho murigeria haigase county ya Nairobi nigo bono abakora imirimo ime yense bagochengera eiki yokurwa abakoreri bose customer care week ase county ya Nairobi abakora imirimo nigo bachengera muyigo igase nsemo ya Huduma Center hase barire ira yogochya kugendera kurwa abakoreri obuya nabo igo bari barwari baga bose yogochya kwaneke buna bateja babo mbachiko gokera abakoreri ase eiki ga muyigo yo nigo ragwa no muwaziri bo abakoreri omwishimwa Geoffrey Ruku asarure ho gukura ho gotindi gochya saba kuri imirimo be serikali bari bagutumia hamasakara yoborimo yechisemi nabo igo kwenekia obukurumi unanigo barachi kwemukirwa egetambo tindi kerichiko na gotomanyo muri kito Linet Nyambane.
Chingaki abakora emirimo imeyense baguchengera eiki yokurwa abakoreri ase county ya Nairobi omuyego yo nigoragwa no muwaziri w'abakora emirimo Geoffrey Ruku ase chiobisi chinene cha Huduma Center.
This week is a week to remind all of us who are in public service that we have an obligation, we have a duty to ensure we are committed and Kenyans who come to us go back home when they are happy and when they feel that they have been served in the most appropriate way.
Gukwana asomo yego yo Ruku nigo aruro gukurira ogutindi ucyasa abakora emirimo bari bagutumia amasakara yoborimo nabo igo abakurumi buna inyimbo yabo nigereriko.
We have many people working in government who have been paid double pay, who have changed job groups 3 times a year, who have been exempting taxes which are not supposed to be exempted, who have changed their date of birth again and again to cheat on the date of retirement. So if you are a human resource director in government institution and you know you are doing this, very soon we are coming for you, you will be prosecuted.
Chingaki checho nigo aenekiri eserikali nechikubwaterana nechiabisi cha Huduma Center ase chi county chonsi kurwa obokoreri gocha 7 aso kubwaterana nech sector chonsi.
And we are calling upon all the state departments which have citizen-facing services to ensure these services are available at Huduma centers across the Republic of Kenya. We know we have quite a number of state departments, quite a number of MDAs, agencies, government agencies, offering different services, and they are not yet available. Those services are not yet available at Huduma centers. We are calling upon those MDAs and government agencies to ensure their services are available across their established Huduma centers in the country.
Abarai babakora emirimo na barabo nigo batogirie emirimo bagokora gocha saba Kenya asebo igo barire ira yo gocha kugenderera kurwa obokoreri obuya asa matukare bosio
in the public sector. But I want to declare and announce today with Huduma Kenya, public service excellence is mission possible.
Public services, ensuring that every citizen is served with dignity. The theme Mission Possible resonates deeply with our collective mandate in the public service. It reminds us that through collaboration and innovation, we can overcome challenges and deliver quality services to all Kenyans.
Arenayo nigo omwaziro iboigo aruro kuboria guchiasaba Kenya kwerikia asomoroberio ogendrete gukwerikia kwa bakichikura.
And very important for now, please, if you have applied for ID, pick your ID and go register as a voter, because we want all Kenyan, all young people to register in large numbers as voters, so that come 2027, you can go and make your independent decision on how you want this country to be governed.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietaria ne Linet Nyambane.
Memano Linet Nyambane no roboti ruase enchira yobo ikirano mwancho morigeria enegati yemeroberio hego chakone kiwa ase hogo ichiago chengera ritukeriga chitari kikome chomo tenyoiga go chengera huduma day aso kwenekia hobokoreri bwa serikali ngo chengera bore ase chinsemo haiga Kenya ukirago no tokwira homotumoko homotangani ase mesa ema yakuru ensoko ensa emo hobotko bware rotoskara sengenjo tokurana ase kagetari getamba sensemo yakabere ko gendra tore kwe manyamange.
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bumugusi enyagitani robotamero chinga kichoboroere kolende talikire nyagitani erabo botamero asoko kobo kali ubiya wekerengo kisheguro otatiga Kasims Hospital nigo tubwata nyagitani bo manyi boisaine bakurwali marwire ao asokolenga net machine ichekerero obukore bwito n'ubw'kinsemero ngebere nanye nkubara tole nkwakatura x-ray nkugwani tura maiso amaino amauga n'umugongo ngokonya turabangena koibora na kurobeli ruiboro ngokora tole ultrasound ntubwate ICU HDU NICU ntubwate pediatric services ntubwate gynecologist okotole physiotherapy na pharmacy ito nigichire amariogo ngutumia tole insurance au bunasha AON Britam na boigo Trident nigo tokotoka nsemo ya magina toligerenetie negete sen kyabanya nyimbo kya magina asamange akesimi 0707289342 kose tome email kasimshospital@gmail.com
urwase abanyagitari baito bare qualified karibuni.
Kasims Hospital, we treat, God heals. Ano mwebuli henritu mwano obugimo bya bwankyo eskuri oborosa tabaka academy nigo tukubwatira naye eligwikirania ndote asoko mwana oboroso botingu bw'ekisemi asekerengo gye fees oranyare wakana abarimu baito nigo bali n'obumanyi bw'emirimo nabo igongotiri barebyewa ao byaborokigwa buna kigosori egatiye binde nguru turabo sombi asaborokiwa ntubwate nyumba cy'oburaro asaba menye time endagere yaborokiwa baito nigere eyebirango biguru
tubwate birasi kuru play group up to grade 8 umwaka go changu chitoro kutwara grade 9
nigo tugutuka ange ninyegetaria tabaka mission twakeresimi 0722 408142 gose 0708706239 Tabaka Academy, School of Thinking Learners.
Nogani tisemi chebikoro elikogenda nokugani gwechiro Riatirimba Technical and Vocation College no turaiga asingenjo yao nigo tukurwa chikosi cha hairdressing, mechanics, tailoring, welding and fabrication egatio chinde aborokiwa baito nkonyora baro bokonyi wa masomo gwetere njira ya help nechikosi chito nigo chigwire uchasonde bwensi nigo tugutuka asama tabekania geteri ensemo ya Kesu Kisii County asamange tuakirisimi asenaba 0757331085 kusitulikere email liatirimba tvc2020@gmail.com.
Sama lieta ngoro kwa Jackson Omae yondo mwalimu Mukonyi deputy principal at a college ya Liatirimba.
By name I'm Joseph Kawala, the principal of Liatirimba Technical and Vocational College. Liatirimba is a technical college that welcomes everybody who is interested in taking technical courses.
Liatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling the heights of technology.
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu sana mwancho murigeria sensemega ya kabere ya mayakuru ensoko ensa AMO hobutkobiga mbiyamona soko gendera gusangana intwe na bono toguska bosio to ndrego kumanya aya aenekiwe ase ritukeriga ase roboti rokubwati ase gati ya barai abo bakuru asensemeria yo kwameria eserikali bakorogwamo no murai wiki amagia DCP Musikeriga Gachagua oriwe murai wiki amagia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Martha Karua olio PLP na bande nigo bagendrere komochia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza hasoburai obobe asebo igo bagendrere kuboria basaye beso kia sobonge heri kubwata ebibande nechikura eriko chigokora gukora maonchoria ase oburai ase chikura chinene cyo mwaka wechiri bubere 2025 Frida Kerubo agotomanya ase nchira yobwekera.
Tumeanza kuandikisha tarehe 29 IEBC wanaandikisha vijana kura. Tunaomba watu wa Masii, Masaku yote, Ukambani yote, kama una mtoto kwa nyumba yako ana miaka 18, hakikisha amechukua ID card. Kama una mtoto kwa nyumba yako hajachukua kura, hakikisha amechukua hiyo kura.
Abasae nigo bagendete kuburirwa gwesokia asobonge elio kwerikia ase kirenga kyo gukora amaonchererio bosi bobochori okwana omuraibikia magia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigaba boria kwenekia ngubwata bale chikura.
Nyinyi ndio dawa ya Kasongo. Lakini kwa hii vita mnahitaji buduki ya kwenda vita. Na buduki ya siasa ni kura. Vijana wetu ya Masii mujiandikishe mchukue kura. Huyu Kalonzo Musyoka hakuna pahali ataenda, hakuna pahali anaweza fika bila nyinyi kuchukua kura na kupiga.
Omugavana we county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti nigagokera egetambukiro kia bamireria be serikali asokolenta abarai amona gukwana neliogielimo.
Sisi tuko nyuma ya mtoto wetu na sisi Your Excellency tunakushukuru sana. Umeenda ukapata marafiki wengi na wazuri sana. Kina Muturi, Muturi na wala wengine. Na sisi tunawauliza ndugu zetu na dada zetu tushikane sisi wote pamoja kwa sababu Wakenya wanatuangalia. Yule hayuko na sisi hapa hayuko.
Omurai wekiama gia PLP Martha Karua nigo agikiria eserikali asokuirania obokoreri ao magega okwana nigo aenekia okore mara ko obokoreri ase chinyagitari gwetera omoroberio osha esekta yechisemi nabo igo okonachwa kwengeria yabakori emirimo na kogania Ruto abega kurusigwa abisi.
Tusipoungana, tusipokaa pamoja, huyu mtu atatupora. Kasongo ni mwizi na atafanya nini? Kwa hivyo tuko pamoja, tukomboe. Nini tunasema Kasongo one term? Ameharibu afya yetu. Hatuwezi pata matibabu kwa SHA SHIF. Hiyo hatuijui ni nini. Ukienda hospitali unafukuzwa bila matibabu. Watoto wetu hawapati masomo. Bei ya maisha, gharama ya maisha imeenda juu. Payslip zetu anakata pesa, anatunyanyasa kushinda mkoloni. Aende asiende?
Asensemo ya Kalonzo Musyoka nigaine kebuna abasaye ba Gen Z imense ya Kenya nigo babeire ekiorokererio ekiya gochia asa abasaye bechinse chinde asoko gikeria oborayo bobe na boigo obokurumi.
Tayari kukomboa nchi yenu? Vijana Gen Z mpo? Muko tayari kukomboa nchi yenu? Nyinyi wa Kenya vijana Gen Z wamepeana mfano wa ajabu. Hivi tunavyozungumza, nadhani kesho ama kesho kutwa kuna maandamano mji mkubwa wa nchi ya Madagascar unaitwa Antananarivo. Wakenya watoto wa nchi hiyo walipata motisha kutoka Gen Z wa Kenya, kwa sababu Gen Z wa Kenya mmekuwa mfano mzuri duniani kote. Nyinyi mmesema mtaki serikali inaongozwa na wauni, serikali ambayo inaongozwa na walafi, serikali ambayo inaongozwa na wetu ambao wanaiba mali ya umma.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.
Memano Frida Kerubo norobotirwa senchiro wikran tugos kabosyo mwancho muregereria umuraibuense ya Kenya muskule Ruto nigagendreire koigerera hemiroberio ya serikali abego komochia habaraiba siasa hase ogotaikrania nigo kwa magendro nigo bona arure ogosaba bache kubwatira namwe ire gokonya serikali oikrania obokoreri borobuya nigarenge ko yakwana iga hasumo iga bugu asioria higetabu kya Major Retired Matsen Madoka asenyomba enene yoboraime yomocho Nairobi.
We are beginning to have a conversation as a country. In this place where you are sitting, in the last 2 months, I have sat with all the members of parliament and senators in this place, one by one, to explain to them why Kenya is a third world country by mistake. And by mistake of us, the leaders. There is absolutely no reason why Kenya today is a third world country. Programs and all the other programs. And we want to identify another almost 600,000-700,000 young people to support them to be part of the AGBO process. Government procurement. We have a lot of government procurement that's going on, and young people are not participating because of many roadblocks. So we want to prepare them so that the budget we have a huge budget of procurement, close to 200 billion, that is supposed to be reserved for young people, people with disability, and women. But that is not, we're not uptaking that, they're not participating, and we want to see how we can improve their skills. Major Matsen Madoka has truly lived up to the title of his memoir, At the Ready. Throughout his life, he has always been ready to serve, ready to lead, and ready to give of himself for his country and this nation.
Tukuskabosyo mwancho murigeria unenchire yamo yokugorama baga yega siasa basae mo director we company ya LM Helen Luvindi nigobono hasabira basae gwesokia sobongi tsariki kyando motienyo igase county ya Kisii unenchire mu yokwerikia herigo chikonyora igase ane mono hisko yense kokona Nensoko TV Helen nigobona atebire he nigere unenchire yamo yokonekia basae nkwegenderia bare hasamagibab.
Helen Mwangi is a director with ALM Recruitment Agency. ALM Recruitment Agency is a registered company with the government in the government laws. We are grateful that now we have a plan of starting a branch in Kisii, and in this case we have an upcoming interviews where we need male warehouse helpers for Dubai. The warehouse they are also, as we know them as go downs helpers. So we need only males that are at the age of 22 to 38. And in this case, this male candidate must have valid Kenyan passport and must be prepared to travel within a span of 1 month. The clients will come over. the delegates will come. Wale wenye watakuwa wanachukua watu Waarabu atakuja wewe mwenyewe. Kuna Waarabu 3 watakuwa hapa Kisii Ufanisi Resort, and they are very friendly because they want to get enough number of people. Kwa hivyo msiogope. Watu wanasikia interviews, they fear. So don't you fear, because it's just a helping position. When you go on the other side, you'll be shown what to do. So most of you, you're most welcome, and see you there at Ufanisi Resort on Thursday.
Tukoska bose mwanjo morigari asensemo ye chigosori Sharon Mura nigabuire egekombe kia Unicala Golf Tournament hase chigosori chia golf echo chia korekaneta segeti ya Kisii Golf Club maiga yoko babwa bagosori bande 50 nomo bagokwana nabali kia mangana mo director kurwase Ensemilia United Paints Steven Mose nigo bondo ha tebire huna egosori eyo ya golf nigo hebose nigo etakeire kogosori gwana basaebe kegori hegeke herio gotuguterare hengana eyo gotebekana buna hegosori ga neye kegori ekenene kia bagaka nabagina Julius Omwenga kurwa Ovic Hardware boigo nera niga bori ababwatani bande babe bagwesokia herigo sira chigosori hune icho chia golf na boigo koirania mbu yamono asaba gosori abonsi abo besogetie kwenekia chigosori icho ngoikira na chira senchirengia.
My aim going forward is I've always had a dream of lowering my handicap to about 10. I'm actually playing at 15, so 10 is not far off, which I'm looking forward to getting to. Before end of the year, I should be at 10. The tournament was very good. I managed to play with very good people. The turnout was very good, and we really appreciate.
The golf is coming up in the upcountry, and we are seeing a lot of activity around golf. And this is a good positive for us and for the next generation. This is something we can build our country around, and also give our next generation an opportunity of something they can be able to pursue, and also offer them an opportunity for growth. Golf is not just an elite thing, but it can be pursued by anyone, and we can be able to promote talents across the whole country.
The support we get from corporates and from different businesses out there, it's really growing the game of golf, especially out and away from Nairobi, because there's been a lot of focus in the clubs within Nairobi region, but now we are seeing a lot of activity in the, if you may call it, upcountry clubs. This is a very good example. It has been a very wonderful day. We have players from Kericho. We have players from Ruiru, we have players from Nyanza, we have players from Nandi, we have, I think I've seen players from Kakamega as well, and I'm sure quite a number of other clubs.
And foremost, to thank the Managing Director, United Paints, Unicala, Mr. Stephen Warui Muche, and the Kisii Sports Club for hosting this fabulous event. Further, let me thank the Unicala community and the family which I'm part of it, because of their corporate social responsibility.
Wanchu murigeria abo nababwatani benseme yobaregetie chigosori icho chia golf na gwikira wo no tugikira omwerio bwambaya kurwensoko ensa AMO ase obutko boiga kurende nabonko banyira sengencho bagote bamangana tari maya kira etandire chinsa hemerongo ebere nainye chie ikikorene ritukoria Jumamosi timu ya Arsenal yanyorete obobui kira ya yengerete timu heri ya West Ham United na bono kero timu chira somo tumukopo kwene kyango gosori bare amamirania international break timu ya Arsenal neregendrete kura ase timu chitiganda tiko koribia ase ligi ya EPL nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi ase bagaria ya Brian Achaka Felistas Kabendi na boigo director Zaki Kenya kure studio ya Kabere abaine kire una mangana iganko gochirara ase nchirengia gwetera samario gya monechi bicha kendra kwego kenemero beria gendreta sembeo Yensoko TV na nige koroga chinsa isato ninchikura nagaga tosange asobo ikirano. Bye bye.